Alright, quick check. Did you see that DJI post that showed up and then vanished almost immediately? Yeah, that one. Someone briefly listed what looks like DJI's rumored Avata 360 on China's social platform, where leaks and early product listings accidentally show up all the time. It didn't last long, but not long enough to stop screenshots from spreading everywhere, and once that happens, there's no putting the genie back in the bottle. What stood out right away were the numbers. According to those screenshots, the Avata 360 could start at 2,988 yuan, which roughly translates to about $426 for just the drone. And honestly, that already raises eyebrows. Then you've got bundles. One version supposedly comes with DJI's RC2 controller at 3,988 yuan. Step up further, and there are two higher tier kits listed at 5688 yuan each. Those pricier bundles, they're said to throw in extra batteries, a charging hub, and, depending on the kit, either FPV goggles or a motion style controller. On paper, that sounds kind of wild, because if you've been tracking other 360-degree drone setups, especially something like the Antigravity A1, full kits usually land way higher. So yeah, compared to that, this looks aggressively affordable, almost too affordable. And that's the thing, DJI pricing doesn't usually leak like this unless there's something going on behind the scenes. If these are internal placeholders or early region-specific numbers, they probably won't survive contact with global reality. Tariffs, certifications, regional markups, all the fun stuff. Realistically, these prices feel low for final retail, especially outside China. Expect reshuffled bundles, expect higher numbers, that's just how DJI works. Now, let's talk the newly leaked specs. The listing claims the Avata 360 packs a 1-inch image sensor, supports 6K video at up to 60 frames per second with HDR, and includes omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. However, earlier leaks were telling a different story. Those pointed toward dual 1/1.1-inch sensors and even hinted at 8K 360-degree video. So now we've got a mismatch, and that's got people wondering whether this post reflects final hardware, an early prototype, or just a partially accurate config that changed mid-development. So for now, treat this as the clearest snapshot we've got, but definitely not the full picture. Interesting, exciting, and still very much unconfirmed. And with that, this is where we're wrapping it up. Catch you in the next one. Peace.